Before we start, here's what we're going to build in this walkthrough. A custom art pack, 5 hand-selected historical illustrations, downloaded as a zip file with full licensing documentation. And at the end, we'll also order a fine art print of one of the images. Let's build it. This is the Hawks Adventures Art Pack Configurator. On the left, you have the pack configuration panel, where you set your culture, license, and pack size. On the right, the image library. Above it, controls for filtering, browsing collections, and the slideshow. Below the grid, the summary panel tracks your selections and calculates your price in real time. Everything you choose is saved automatically in your browser, so you can come back and continue where you left off. Before you start filtering, there's a faster way in, the visual map. This gives you a live view of the entire catalogue, organized by theme. Each card shows a subject area, how many images are in it, and how much depth that collection has. So if you're building a pack for a Roman military campaign, you can see straight away that there are strong, deep collections ready to browse. Each theme tells you roughly how many packs you could build from it, so you can plan before you start selecting. Click any theme, and the configurator opens with that collection already loaded. The chip at the top of the image grid tells you which collection you are in. Click the cross on that chip at any time to return to the full catalogue. You're not locked in, can still apply any filter on top of the collection. The theme is a starting point, not a constraint. Every theme has a copyable link. If you've found the right subject area for your project, you can share that link directly with a collaborator or bookmark it to come back later. Start with your culture. Right now, the ancient Roman collection is available. Additional cultures are in development. Click the culture button to see what's coming. Next, your license. Personal license covers private use, gaming sessions, personal projects. Commercial license lets you use the images in books, games, educational materials, and other original creative works with attribution. Click the info icon on either license to read the full terms. For this walkthrough, we'll use the personal license and a 5-image pack. Pack sizes range from 5 to 30 images, with pricing shown per pack and per image so you can compare value. The image library shows all available illustrations for the selected culture. Each card shows the image, title, and any special badges, like Showcase, which marks the strongest images in the collection. Hover over a card for a few seconds and a quick preview opens automatically. Or click the magnifying glass icon for an immediate preview. The grid shows 24 images per page. Use the pagination at the bottom to browse further. The filter drawer gives you precise control over what you see. Search by title or keyword. Filter by orientation, number of people, scene type, environment, mood, lighting style, and many more. Each active filter appears as a chip above the grid. Remove any chip to clear that filter instantly. The count at the left always shows how many images match your current filters. The Discover tab inside the configurator gives you the same curated collections available from the visual map, accessible without leaving the page. Clicking a collection loads those images into the grid. Clear it with the chip to return to the full library. To add an image to your pack, click its thumbnail. Once selected, size options appear directly on the card. The 1024 JPG size is included in the base price. The 2048 PNG adds $4 per image. You must choose at least one size for each selected image. The configurator will remind you if you haven't. As you select images, the summary panel updates in real time, tracking your progress toward the pack size and calculating your total price. Once you've reached your pack size, the configurator prevents adding more. Deselect an image or change your pack size to continue. The image preview panel gives you a full view of any image before committing. On the left, the image itself. Click it to toggle selection. Same as clicking the grid card. On the right, everything about the image: title, metadata, scene type, environment, camera style, lighting, historical elements, mood tags and keywords. Size checkboxes here work the same as on the grid card. Changes apply immediately. If an image is print eligible, you'll see the badge here and a direct link to order a fine art print. The slideshow lets you browse the current image set as a full-screen visual experience. Use the left and right arrows or your keyboard to navigate. The title bar shows the image name and whether it's already in your pack. The preview button in the top left opens the full preview panel for any image while the slideshow is open. Maximize fills the entire screen. Restore returns to the grid view. Once your pack is complete, the Create Art Pack button becomes active. You can review your order first. This shows every selected image, its sizes, the per image price, and the total. You can also adjust sizes or remove images here before finalizing. When you're ready, click Confirm and Build. The configurator submits your order and redirects you to checkout. Your custom art pack is built in the background. By the time you complete checkout, your download is ready. After purchase, your download is available immediately on the order confirmation page and in your confirmation email. The download link is valid for 72 hours. Inside the zip, an images folder with all your selected files, a licensed text file with your full usage rights, and a summary listing every image and size included. Commercial packs also include a complete attribution folder with copy-paste credit text, HTML snippets, book credit examples, a CSV mapping every image to its credit line, and a pack manifest. For any print-eligible image, you can order a professional fine art print directly from the configurator. Click the print-eligible badge in the preview panel to open the print configurator. The print configurator shows your image on a simulated wall. You can toggle between the wall view and a plain preview. Configure your print step by step. Choose a substrate, canvas, fine art paper, or others. Then the variant, print format, and size. Each step narrows your options to only what's compatible. Once all options are selected, the price is calculated and you can proceed to checkout. Prints are produced and shipped directly to you. That's the complete Art Pack configurator workflow. To recap, start at the visual map to find your theme, or jump straight into the configurator and use filters to narrow the library. Select images and sizes, confirm, and download your custom pack. And for standout images, order a fine art print to hang on your wall. The full Ancient Roman collection is available now at hawksadventures.com. Additional cultures are coming soon. Thank you for watching.